Hi, everybody. Hi, welcome to session 54 of this class.
54?
Hi, Mr. 54. Yes,
Really?
it's 54. Yeah,
I'm fine. How about you, man?
I'm great. Thank you. In this lesson, we want to learn about questions. Yes, no questions and short answers in simple present. So it's a very good and useful grammar if you want to ask questions from your partner. In English, it's a very amazing grammar. Now, let's look at the grammar box. Here we have this grammar box on top of the page. Yes, no questions and short answers. Let's listen to the grammar box first, then we talk about the rules. Let's go.
Page 37. 3. Grammar. Yes, no questions and short answers.
Do you go to a class in the evening?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Do you and your friends play sports after class?
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Do your friends make phone calls at night?
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Does your mother work on the weekends?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't.
Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Please look at the board. We have do, does, verb, and subject. Please look at these questions and tell me what comes at the first of the sentence. Do, does, verb, or subject?
Do and does.
Do and does, that's right. They come in the beginning. Okay, after that we have the verb or the subject.
Subject.
Yes, in questions we have the subject. After the subject we have
Verb.
verb. Excellent. So this is the format, the general format of the questions in yes, no questions and short answers. Now, let's look at this chart. We have do and does. We want to write down some subjects for do and does. Let's look at the chart. Do you go to the class in the evening? For example, for do we can use you. Do you go to class?
Yeah.
For does,
He.
we can say he, right?
She.
She, sorry. We can say she, okay. Anything else?
And it.
Let me change the page. Also, we can say it. For example, your father. Is it do or does?
Your father. Does.
Yes. Does.
Does your
yes,
father.
because your father is he. Or your mother, right?
Yeah.
Do. How about your friends? Is it do or does?
Does.
Your friends.
Your friends. Plural. Do.
Plural.
Yeah.
Do, that's right. So in the do section, we can write your friends. Okay, what else? For example, we,
Do.
okay, and also they. We use these words for do and does. We have it in the chart, okay. Now let's go back to the text. Before we answer some of the questions, remember that in the questions, the verbs have no S at the end. For example, we don't say, does your brother or does he plays volleyball? That's not right, okay? That is not correct.
Correct.
So be careful. We never use this in the questions. It is incorrect. Instead, we can say, for example, does he play volleyball? So this sentence is right. This sentence is correct. But this one is incorrect. All right. Now let's look at some of the time expression. If you look at the right side of the chart, you can see some time expressions here. We have on Monday, on Mondays, on the weekend, on the weekends, in the morning, in the mornings, in the afternoon, in the afternoons, in the evening, in the evenings, at night, before breakfast, after class every day. We can use these time expressions at the end of the question, okay? As you can see, they are located at the end of each question. Now, let's go to part A, complete the questions, compare with the partner. We have 10 questions. Please look at them. If you want to pause the video and write the answers on a piece of paper, please do it. After that, resume the video and check your answers. So please pause and write down your answers, then check with us. Mr. T, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check the answers. Number 1, it is written, do you make phone calls late at night? Do you make phone calls late at night? Number 2, please.
Do your friends
Do your friends
go on the internet in class?
go on the internet in the class? That's right. Number 3, please.
Your mother. Does your mother
Does your mother?
check her email every day?
Excellent. Check her email. Okay. Number 4, please.
Do your parents
Do your parents
do the laundry on weekends?
do the laundry?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 5.
Does your father
Does your father?
read the news online every day?
Okay. Okay, read the news.
Yeah.
Online every day. Okay, number 6, please.
Do you and your friends play online games?
Play online games, that's right.
Okay.
Together.
Together, yeah.
Play online games together. Okay. Number 7.
Your best friend. Does your best friend?
Does your best friend
I don't know. Take a classes?
take classes in the evenings?
In the
That's
evening.
right. Number 8.
And do you go shopping after class?
Do you
Go shopping.
go shopping after class? That's right. Number 9.
Your family. Does your family?
Yes. Does your family
Does your family eat breakfast together?
eat breakfast together in,
In the morning.
That's right. Number 10, please.
Please calm down.
Okay.
Do you clean your room?
Clean your room every day.
Yes.
Okay. So these are, I'm sorry? No
Yeah.
questions? Okay. Well, so these are the answers. You can check them if you want with your answers. Now, at the end of this video, we want to ask and answer some of these questions from each other and give extra information.
I have
Look
a
at the
question.
example.
I have a question.
Yes.
Right of box comments error.
Okay, common errors. Let's check that.
Yeah.
In short answers, do not use a verb after don't or doesn't. For example, we don't say no, I don't have. We say no, I don't. It's a short answer, right? It is a, do you have a computer? No, I don't. No, I don't have is incorrect. You must have a short answer,
Okay.
right? Well, now let's choose some of these questions and ask and answer each other. Okay, you start please. Choose one question, ask me, and I give you extra information. Please start.
Okay. Do your friends go on internet in class?
No, they don't. They don't. They don't go on the internet in the class. They go on the internet at home.
Okay.
Let me ask you, do you clean your room every day?
No, I don't. I clean my room one on the week.
Once a week.
Once
Yes.
a week. Yeah.
Once a week, yes. This expression is very nice. It means one time a week. When you say once a week, it means I just do it only one time. One time in a week.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. You ask me please.
Back to the book. Does your family eat breakfast together in the morning?
Yes, they usually eat. Yes, they do. They eat breakfast together in the morning. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. At the end of this video, I want to choose one question, number 6. Do you and your friends play online games together? Please look at this question and write down your answer in the comment section and we will check it. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.
Bye guys. Bye.